Hello guys, this is the first video. This is the first video of the channel. Let's go W bro. As you can see, I have already a hardcore world, which we will try and beat the Ender Dragon without dying. Let's go. By the way, I am in mobile because as you can see, this right here is a mobile buttons. I use this to run my game. And this is Java edition. So it has a lot more. As you can see, I'm already in 8K. Wait. My FPS. It's dropping. Now it's I already have a 2 ions and I need coal. In this video we will mine diamonds and get all the diamonds gear and tools and we will open the nether. And let's get right onto it. Let's go. There's AI. Bro, there's so much coal in this thing. It's perfect because we need it's fighting fire. need to go back in that direction in there, which is, bro. Oh no, broke, bro. Now I need to use my cobblestone. Let's go. Which I need to mine this. Now let's now we will wait for it to smelt. We need this iron, bro. This already has smelt. Same as this. This too. Scrap our items. First we need a pickaxe, then an axe for our PvP. And then we need nothing except this. Yes, this. No ammo craft and chest plate. We need to find food. Let's plant this back. We need more space for our second plant, which is another. Yes. Now let's find our food. If you guys want these customizations, I will put it in the link. And you need to use 4-finger claw to so that your gameplay is more flexible and more efficient than 2-finger claw. Is this so? Bro, why is this so steep? Yes, let's go. We need to find food. Oops, I found one. Oh shit. One hit, bro. One hit. One hit. I wanna get some salmon because it's easier, but We're not in the ocean right now. It's very far. Oh no, bro. FP is dropped, bro. By the way, guys, I use some mods to make my gameplay smooth, like Sodium. Right now, I'm using Sodium. But I wanna use some Optifine because I can zoom and the render distance is very quite it's very quite low, man. And my gameplay is very lag, which is it's illusion. I need some sugar cane. Oh yes, I forgot to crop some bucket, man. Oh, there's a where's the oh no. By the way, guys, it's so hard to hit these guys. We drown in Java Edition. I can't play it anymore because it's one time like you can respawn at this, man. No. Sir. By the way, guys, I have a low device, so it's pretty loud, man. I only have 2 gigabyte RAM. Now let's go and head back home. Got everything we need. Oh yeah, this is a good spot right here. Oh no, there's a cave, bro. Bro, I really wanna build my home in this spot right here. But there's a cave in here. Oh no, the sun is setting. I need to collect this. Now let's go back to my base. I hope I didn't get lost or something, man. Wait. Last kill, I need a ladder. I need a ladder, bro. I need to get in this horse. It's now dead. Oh yeah, where was my home? I forget, I think. Oh no, it's here, it's here. Nope, it's not here. Where the hell was my home? Now I can speak because of my food. Who did I came from, bro? I forgot. Oh no, man, I forgot. I completely forgot where I came from. I think it's something like here. Oh no, it's not here. Oh no, it's bad, bro. Oh, it's here. Is it here? Oh no, it's not here. Oh no, I can't spit anymore. Where the hell was I? Bro, I can't even cook my food. Oh no, creeper. No, we can't die today, bro. It's hardcore. We can't die. Wait. Let me find it in here. Oops. Where was I, bro? Oh, no. Should not kill him. Oh no, I'ma die. Fuck, no. And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.